gonna go out here to barn, start working on this stall. So probably won't get much done other than lining of the stall. Kids are gonna help me out. So let's go check it out and see what we can get into first here. Let's gather all my tools up and we can get moving on this thing. So said it was supposed to be 70 today, but the sun isn't out because it's real cloudy. I don't think it's gonna get up that far. I mean, it's warm out, but it's not that warm. I still have a sweatshirt on, so it's just not warm enough. So we're gonna go down here and check this stall out and see what we got to do. So here it is. So we're gonna work on this stall right here. We got to move some of this stuff out of the way, and then we'll probably line that wall right there, then start on this back one, and then do this one. Horses kick the hole through the wall right here, and so I'll have to replace that piece of metal from the outside. Not a big deal, but this will all be lined, and it'll look good. I mean, it'll be just like this one in here. You know, see how we lined it, and then we'll put mats down. I still have to finish the top up there and up there, just one more board. So, but yeah, so that'll be what we're gonna get into right now, and hope you guys enjoy it. So this will be stall number 2, build part 1. All right, so sit back and relax. Alright, what we're going to do first is we're going to get 2x4 on here for a ledger for this back wall, and then we'll probably put a couple 2x4s right here to catch the center of that. So let's get at that. Now I'm using these construction screws. These are probably the best on the market. The grip rights. They have the star head, the T25 star head. These are going to be 3-inch. So these are pretty heavy screws. A lot of guys that use the drywall screws or whatever to do this kind of stuff, and they just don't hold up. They end up rusting off and not any good. So it's better to spend a little extra money and get the right screws. Now these boards are a poplar hardwood, or soft or mild wood, whatever you want to call it. and they're 1.5 inches thick. So I'm hoping to have enough of these to at least go halfway up all the way around for kickboards, and then the rest I'll just finish with the pine. So hopefully we have enough of these, but this will be the first board over here on this wall. I got to get it cut to 118.5. Basically, we want to go off the bottom of this board. This is a running line that I have all the way to the front of the barn to start level. So I'm going to go off the top of this, or bottom of this line here, transfer to the front of this pole, and we'll have it all the way around. Getting that first one level, but now that we have them, I'll go about 6 up, and then I'll start on this wall back here. So let's put you in fast forward, and we'll go ahead and do the half of this wall right here. I have to rip this 2x8 down to get some 2x4s made.
Jump.
Yeah, see, so far I think we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up there. You know, we'll probably put one more to come up to this level, and then from there up I'll probably just put pine boards. Same thing over here. Once I start going, I'll probably go just as high, unless I see I have enough boards, and I'll go probably all the way up there on that side and do pine boards back here. But you know, we had these cut probably, oh gosh, 4 years ago. We had these boards cut, and you know, they're discolored. They were in my garage, but that's all. They're just discolored. They're still solid. I still have to drill them to put the screws in them, so they're still good wood. It's just they're not you know, like that bottom board, you know. So but all right, let's get back at it. I'm gonna get this board ripped down and see what we can get this back wall up. Alright, so I'm gonna have to put some more a board somewhere right in here, because the boards I have are only a little over 10 foot and this stall is like 12 foot wide. So I'm gonna have to find some more 2x4s so I can get at least something right there, and we can go from there. So hang tight and I'll be back with you guys in a little bit. Put these on here for space. Alright, we'll get this bottom board on level and then we'll just continue up. Alright, so the bottom board's on there.
What do you do with this?
We're going to just bend it down. We're going to go ahead and go up about 6 boards, and I'll put you guys on time lapse. Now you guys see that gap down there below the board? That's how much I have to bring this fill up. So I'll have to bring fill in here before I put the mats down. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that. I know I got a couple questions when I did the first stall if I was going to leave that gap underneath, but I'm not. So I just got to bring it up to fill. I'll probably put like a slag, that crushed slag. It binds up pretty good. You wet it down, it almost turns to concrete, and then I'll put mats over that. All right, let's get going on this wall. Alright, if you can hear me over the squawking chicken in the background, I'm going to start putting, filling in the little blocks on the side. See how far that gets me. Screws here.
It's really, it doesn't look even, but that's level. How are you supposed to know this level?
Like that. Yep, I'm gonna press in.
Ready?
Yep. Don't sink in that far. It's a different bit, it holds better. Now you can kind of really see, all right, let me take you off here. But you can see how much fill I got to bring in. So, I mean, that's almost 6 inches. So, I have clay up at the in-laws house. I'll bring it in, bring it right to that bottom board and tamp it down. And then we'll put some 4x6 rubber mats in there, like 3/4 inch thick. Now I go down south here, there's kind of like a place that sells seconds. They sell seconds than 4x6 mats. It's like, I don't know, a third of the cost for those mats. So you go to, you know, one of your commercial stores like Tractor Supply or something, I think they're around $30 or $40. I can go down there and get them for like $15. There might be some blemishes on them, but nothing, it doesn't really matter. I mean, you're putting them in a horse stall, so you're not gonna see them. There's gonna be sawdust on top of them. As long as they don't got gigantic holes or something in them, it's not a big deal. And normally they don't have holes in them. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue putting some more boards in here. Probably put one more board high and get it all filled in. And that might be part one. And then part two, we'll just finish this wall and just finish the walls up. Because I've been at this already 3 hours and the video is probably only gonna be 15-20 minutes long. So, and I still got to mow my lawn before it rains. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this finished up, and I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. Okay, I'm done for the day. This is part one of the stall build. I got the walls all up at a certain point. I gotta go see what kind of boards I got, so I probably won't do that up there with this hardwood. I'll probably just put pine up there. And then I want to be able to finish this one up and this one up. Hopefully I have enough wood to do that. You know, that one's at least got, you know, the first 5 feet, so they're not going to kick up that high. At least I hope not. So that's where we're at for today. And tomorrow it's supposed to rain most of the day, so I'll be in here and see if I can finish up this stall lining, and maybe I can get this post set up front here. And I'll have to go to the lumber yard and get some 2x10s. But I'm done for the day. This is part one, stall 2, whatever you want to say. So give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And have a good day. See you later.